Hey everyone, Scott Jansen here. This is just a quick reminder of our next upcoming 3-day advanced conversational hypnosis training. This is our online event, guys. This is happening on the 17th, 18th, and 19th of January in 2025. Now, once you've enrolled in this program, and I suggest you do this very quickly because it's filling up very quickly as we speak. This also includes 200 hours of our online content and over 35 full ACH demos. So once you enroll, you'll get instant access to our online platform. Our online platform has that 200 hours plus those 35 plus ACH demos. You can log in straight away, start watching the content. You don't need to wait for the live event. With this, guys, we've given you 2 massive bonuses for free alongside the 200 hours of online content, the 35 full ACH demos. You'll also receive, guys, and you get access to this straight away. It's in the platform, our complete sales training, including our sales script, future value deck, and so much more. The reason we've given you this is because I want you to not only come to the training, but also learn how to sell ACH at a very high price. There's no point in just attending course after course if you're not going to make money from it. I want you guys to turn this into a business. Not only that, guys, you get lifetime access to our state-of-art training platform, which I mentioned, with over 200 hours of training content and those 35 full ACH demos. It's only $997, guys, to enroll. This is AUD. We do have payment plans available. I'll leave this link below, guys, and I'll see you in the training. See you in the next video for now. Bye, guys.